How to change Genshin Impact username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Genshin Impact username. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So, if you want to change the Genshin Impact username, all you have to do is you need to go ahead and write an email to Genshin Impact support team. This is the only way that you can change your username in Genshin. So, we'll go ahead and write an email to Genshin Impact support team. Now, in order to write the email, you need to go to your browser. Once you're in the browser, you need to type gmail.com. Once you're in the Gmail, you need to go ahead and click on Compose. After you have done that, you can see the two username over here. You need to go ahead and select the username. And once you have done that, in the two, you need to simply go ahead and paste that. Now, in the subject, you need to write changing username. In the body, you need to go ahead and write. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and write the emails that is in your Genshin app. That you need to go ahead and click on send. That's it. You now know how to change your username in Genshin Impact. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.